Hey guys, welcome back to the Calibrate Tools channel. Today we're going to replace and install a new shower head. So stick around, I'll see you right after this. Alright guys, as you just saw, this shower head needs to be replaced. The metal sheathing receded from where it's supposed to be, which is right here, all the way down here, exposing the hose. And when the water came on, I guess the pressure was too much and it busted the hose. Not to mention, this shower head needs to be replaced anyway. It's full of sediment and it's just time to put a new one on. Alright, so this is the new shower head equipment we're going to install. You got the shower head, the hand shower, the diverter, got a suction cup bracket, and we got some threader tape as well. And there's the hose. All right, guys, so the first thing we want to do is remove this shower head. And I got a pair of channel locks for that. But sometimes this connection right here may be more suitable for a crescent wrench, but you will not lose with a channel lock, okay? So we're going to remove this. I'm going to turn counterclockwise. There may be some water built up in there, so be prepared for water to come out of it. Now that you got it off, you may want to clean up this old threading that's on here, this old sealant threading, because you're going to replace it with some new sealant threading. Now you want to remove as much as this old threading as possible because it can contaminate the new threading, which will create a bad seal. So I got this little razor knife here. I'm going to try to cut off as much as I can. So after you remove the threading, you may want to clean it off with an old toothbrush, kind of get in between those threads. What's even better is if you have a steel wire brush or a wire brush, it doesn't have to be steel, to clean it off as well. And the wire brush is good for getting some of the sediment off of the pipe. Now we want to take our new threading tape and apply it to the shower arm. You can wrap it around about 2 to 3 times. That should do it. Next, we want to install our diverter onto the shower arm. And we're going to install this side onto the arm. All right, so when you're installing your new equipment, it may require a crescent wrench to tighten them or loosen them. And if it does, use it. A lot of these fixtures are six-sided connections, hexagonal in shape, which means a crescent wrench will do better to tighten them or loosen them. So even though you saw me using channel locks, go ahead and use a crescent wrench to tighten or loosen them. That way you won't damage the finish on the fixtures. So I'll just go ahead and finish tightening it up with the crescent wrench. Okay, now that you got your diverter on, you want to install your shower head now. But before you do that, once again, you have to apply the thread sealant. Just like before, you want to go about 2 or 3 times around. That should do it. And while we got this accessible, let's go ahead and apply the thread sealant for this one back here for the hand shower. Now when you're installing the shower head, you want to hand tighten it. So you just put it on there. And if you feel it's not tight enough by hand tightening it, what you can do is put a piece of cloth over it like this and take your channel locks and slightly, gently tighten it. Now you want to take one end of your hose and connect it to this outlet on the diverter. Just hand tighten it there. And then you want to take the other end and connect it to the hand shower. Now when we're installing our suction cup bracket, we have to slide this portion of it up like that. Take that off, tilt the actual bracket up like that, then place it where you want to on the wall. Press the bracket down. Now it's secured in place on the wall, and you just take your cover, slide it back down. Now you can either use this bracket on the diverter for your hand shower, or you can put it wherever you want with the suction cup bracket. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple. Nothing to rack your brain over when installing a new shower head. Just take the old one off, put the new one on. If you learned something from this video, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.